I'll give you the videos when pigs fly.
Did you press your tongue? Cause your breath still stinks.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
I just put some deodorant in my mouth.
You can't put deodorant in your
I
mouth.
just ate some deodorant.
Y'all playing. Merlin's like, fuck that.
Come on, can I scoop some ice cream?
Merlin's going in the dog cage. Oh.
Let me turn the light.
What was that noise? Was that Molly jumping?
Oh no, I'll open the doors first. Let me turn on the light.
If you want. Ruby wants to play.
Oh, it looks so much better. Battle of the cat and dog.
She just wants to play so bad. Merlin, you do not attack the cat. I mean the dog. Ruby just wants to play. You just want to play, love. She's a little deer. That is so funny.
Sir, come on.
Poor Ruby. Poor baby. You just want to play. Yeah, I know. Down. You don't jump on me, lovey. Yeah. Go play with the cat. Merlin's like, bump that. All right, I gotta go. I gotta go, sugar. Gotta go, sugar pie. Yeah. Okay, get down. I love you, Merlin.
No. No bitesies.
All right, bye-bye.
Shut your mouth.